Ahora voy a construir este avión. Todavía puse esta rueda. Voy a empezar a poner la otra parte. Según estás viendo videos, viendo Netflix, bebé. Y voy a poner esto. O pongo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's the other one. Can you pin the bell? Oh yeah. Oh god, that's wobbly. Okay. A little bit more wobbly. Okay, too wobbly. Let's take this out. I gotta take this out to see why it's so wobbly. I'm putting it back in. I'm putting it in. I hope it works. Wobbly. Okay. No wobbly anymore. So I will put the seat. It's a blue. And from today, Christmas. Today was Christmas and I got this. I also got a big candy. We will see. I will make a video with him later. So let's do this. Putting the propeller. It's almost done. Oops. Okay, I will think that I don't need that screen. Now it's done. Now I won't forget about it. And when I hold it, you can subscribe to my channel. Do you like this cool airplane? Comment down below which toy I can get next for Christmas.